Hello everybody, my name is Peter and this time I would like to show you how I model a tennis ball. I saw a 3ds Max model about modeling a tennis ball. It was 2 parts and almost 20 minutes altogether, and I thought there must be an easier way. The problem is that tennis balls consist of 2 halves, identical halves, which are glued together, and there is no sphere type whatsoever which allows us to do this. But since we are a sub-D modeler, we don't necessarily need spheres. So let me start with the box. It will be a huge tennis ball, 1 meter by 1 meter, and I select these 3 sides and Control X, Control V them, and now I have separated exactly these 2 halves like a tennis ball, only that they're square. But let's see how we deal with this. First I hit the D key once, twice, twice, that's good enough for the time being. Then I go to Vertex, Merge, and merge the words together. Now we have something which has, in fact, let me show you, up arrow key, 2 more, and the same here, up arrow key, and shift up arrow key, then control boundary, and you see we have exactly the seam we are looking for to make a tennis ball. We only don't have a ball, but let's deal with that later. First, I want to bevel this seam quite a lot to protect especially this edge here. Then I select one of these, Alt C, count of 2, that's okay, that's fine, like so. Then I hit the D key again, select the middle edge here and backspace delete it. Now I hit the N key for a new mesh, go to the side view or the front view, doesn't really matter, and click on the sphere and control left click and bring a sphere out about this size and center it in all directions. Now I go out of sub-D mode by hitting the tab key, then hit the D key once and once again to make the mesh much denser. I go back to my original mesh, hit the F11 key and activate Constraint to Background. Now I hit the R key and on the center selection make this smaller, and you have noticed that our seam was the last thing which was pulled in, so it has very nicely kept the shape. We don't need to see this mesh here, and our tennis ball is almost done. Hit the L key, hit the B key again, bevel it in, this time on the blue handle a bit, drop the tool, hit the M key, call this seam, then H key to hide it, M key again, call it ball, and give it a yellowish color. Okay, unhide everything, hit the tab key to go to sub-D mode, Control 1 to toggle the wireframe, and here is our tennis ball. Pretty nice, and in less than 5 minutes. I will leave this on for a bit so I can use it as my thumbnail. Thanks very much for watching this. Take care and have fun modeling with Modo. See you some other time. Bye bye.